Hey, this is Dustin with D-Link, and today we're going to be helping you find the best possible Wi-Fi router for your home. Now we're going to be going over 4 different models today, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So up first we have our AC1200 router, which we call the Media Lover. Now, if you're a person who's doing a lot of web surfing, FaceTime chats, and watching a lot of videos on Netflix, the AC1200 makes a great entry point to 11AC speed and range. So up next we have our AC1750, which we call the Gamer. Now, in addition to having ridiculously fast Wi-Fi speed, the AC1750 also has dual band technology, which means the stuff that you do every day online, like checking your email or web surfing, isn't going to interfere with HD media streaming and, most importantly, gaming. Up next we have our AC1900 Wi-Fi router, which we call the Multitasker. Now, the AC1900 was specifically made for today's modern connected home, where your friends and family are connecting 5, 10, or even 15 different connected devices all at the same time. Now, this router is going to give you the next generation speed you need so that your devices are lag-free and connecting at amazing wireless speeds. Now, if you're looking for the best of the best, I would recommend the AC3200 Ultra Wi-Fi router, which we call the Monster. Now, in addition to being our fastest router, it also comes equipped with a bunch of amazing features like tri-band Wi-Fi that gives you an extra 5 GHz band to handle the heavy-duty lifting of HD media streaming to multiple devices and lag-free gaming. And it also has AC Smart Beam, which, unlike other routers which deliver Wi-Fi in sort of a donut shape, the AC3200 tracks and delivers Wi-Fi directly to all the devices in your home, so you always have the most efficient network possible. We hope these tips have helped you figure out what you need for your home network, and we'll see you next time.
Enjoy extended signal range and reliable connectivity with premium dual-band performance, up to 300 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz and 867 megabits per second on 5.0 gigahertz for simultaneous HD media streaming and downloads with the D-Link Wireless AC1200 dual-band Gigabit Cloud Router. The perfect choice for upgrading your wireless network, the DIR850L delivers premium wireless AC performance with smart antenna technology, keeping your whole home connected while ensuring each device gets the bandwidth it needs. The wireless 1200 AC dual-band Gigabit Cloud Router is ideal for a home with multiple connected devices that want to stream HD media or share files simultaneously without interruption. Use the free mobile app for fast and easy setup and have your network up in a matter of minutes. Backwards compatibility ensures you will instantly see a boost in performance in your 11AC devices and still use your legacy Wi-Fi devices. Wirelessly access your favorite movies, music, and photos from any connected storage drive directly to your iPhone, iPad, or Android device with the SharePort mobile app. With the exclusive My D-Link mobile app, you can view your home network's browsing history in real time, block unwanted device connections, or receive automatic email alerts, all right on your smartphone or tablet. Experience premium performance over multiple connected devices simultaneously accessing online content with D-Link's wireless AC1200 dual-band Gigabit Cloud Router, part of the 11AC family, keeping your home connected.
Did you know that room layout, construction materials, or even furnishings can interfere with your Wi-Fi? If your home suffers from dead spots or patchy Wi-Fi speeds in some areas, ASUS AI Mesh can fix it. With an AI Mesh whole home Wi-Fi system, you can deliver the best Wi-Fi performance to every corner of any home. So, you can stream 4K movies or play high-res games, whether you're in the loft, the basement, or the garden. AI Mesh combines multiple ASUS routers to give you true whole home Wi-Fi. And you can even mix different ASUS router models, so when you upgrade, You don't need to throw away your old router or buy a complete new Wi-Fi system. Just make it part of your AI mesh system. And unlike rival multi-hub systems, you can still use all the great features of your ASUS routers. As you move around, AI Mesh constantly monitors signal strength and automatically switches your devices to the router with a best signal wherever you are. And if a router fails, AI Mesh simply reconfigures the connections automatically and carries on working with no interruptions. With tri-band routers, AI Mesh will use one band as a dedicated data link between routers for the best possible performance. Switching between different Wi-Fi networks or bands as you move around your home is no fun at all. But AI Mesh can create a single network that covers your entire home, so there's no need to switch ever. But if you still prefer to use separate SSIDs for each band, AI Mesh can do that too. The choice is yours. AI Mesh gives you the ultimate flexibility. All AI Mesh settings are centralized. All your settings, monitoring, and menu preferences will be applied to every router, so you only need to set them up once. ASUS AI Mesh, powerful whole home Wi-Fi system the way you want.
Welcome to TP-Link Speedway for the highly anticipated TP-Link Cup. Let's take a look at our two contestants who will be tasked with delivering large HD video files to the finish line. Now in the inside lane, we see our defending champion, the N300. He's equipped with 2x2 MIMO intelligent antenna technology and won his title by reaching speeds of 300 megabits per second. In the outside lane is this year's newcomer, the N450. He looks pretty confident due to his processor, which is equipped with 3x3 MIMO technology and has the power to propel him to astounding speeds of up to 450 megabits per second. And they're off. The N300 starts with a slim lead. The N450 is looking to make his move. It looks like he's trying to take the inside. Oh, the N300 is not making it easy for him today. They're approaching a final turn, and it all comes down to this. What a move by N450! He passes on the outside. His customized Qualcomm CPU is really making a difference. The 3x3 MIMO technology is allowing him to transfer 3 separate data streams at the same time and reach speeds of up to 450 megabits in the final lap. And the N450 blazes to the finish line, easily delivering his HD video cargo before the N300 even knows what happened. After this thrilling race, the N450 finally claimed the TP-Link Cup. Now it looks like our champion is enjoying his well-deserved reward. Introducing the N450, simply faster.
Ideally, a router's Wi-Fi will cover your entire house. You may even add a range extender to further boost the Wi-Fi signals to those hard-to-reach areas like the outdoor patio, the office upstairs, or even the basement. What you may not realize is that moving between a traditional router and range extender causes your home Wi-Fi signal to experience lag, dropped connections, and poor performance. You're constantly forced to manually switch between the router and range extender's networks. Pair MaxStream range extenders with any MaxStream router to create one Wi-Fi network name for a seamless roaming experience. Seamless roaming technology allows you to move from room to room while your device automatically switches to the strongest Wi-Fi signal. It resolves the problem of multiple network names, dropped signals, and poor performance with a single Wi-Fi name and seamless roaming throughout your home. MaxStream range extenders are easy to set up. The easy-to-use Spot Finder feature will pinpoint the best placement for optimal signal strength and coverage. The MaxStream experience with seamless roaming.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control, so if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Why choose the Medialink AC1200 router? Well, what do you want from a router? Easy setup, right? Not tech savvy? No problem. The instructions are written with the non-techie in mind. I'm sure you want it to be fast. You're streaming movies and music, maybe you're into online gaming. The Gigabit Ethernet ports give this router 10 times the speed of most routers in this price range. You want to be able to understand support if you need it. Our customer support team speaks your language. We're right here in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Just give us a call. You also want good Wi-Fi coverage. The Medialink AC1200 covers most homes with no problem. Our router's strong amplifiers provide as much power as is legally allowed by the FCC. So is this router all you need for great Wi-Fi coverage? For most people, the answer is yes. As long as you have a modem or an Ethernet port that provides a working wired internet connection, then this router all by itself is all that most people need. But if your modem or source of internet is in a bad or remote location like your basement, or you have a larger home where one router might not be enough, we got you covered. Let's take a look at some options. One Medialink AC1200 gigabit router, centrally located in your home, will comfortably cover up to 2,500 square feet. Now, if your internet service provider puts your modem in a bad spot like the basement, your router may not be able to reach all of your devices. Adding a set of Medialink power line adapters is a simple solution. Just move your router to a more centralized location in your home, plug in one of the power line adapters into an electrical outlet near your modem, plug in another adapter into an electrical outlet near your router, and you're done. Power line adapters use your existing electrical lines to carry the signal anywhere in your home so that your router can provide full Wi-Fi coverage to all of your devices. For larger homes, one router might not be enough. Two Medialink AC1200 gigabit routers can wirelessly work together to cover your home, but you will sacrifice some speed. For the best speed and coverage, use two of these routers along with a set of Medialink power line adapters to have blazing fast Wi-Fi throughout the largest of homes. So you only need one Medialink AC1200 router for up to 2,500 square feet. You can add Medialink power line adapters to centralize your router. You can use two Medialink routers for larger homes, or you can use two routers and a set of power line adapters for the best speed and coverage in the largest of homes.